conceptual perspective. Things people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements. Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in on you for success principle number 2. And I have my little dude, my ace, riding with me right now. This is grandson. Oh my God. This is number 9. Not totally grandsons, but grandchildren. This is number 9. And he's the youngest and he's the boss. He came down. Yeah. Say hey. Hey. All right. So this is gonna be kind of funny because he wants to talk too, and he woke up and he's the only one up right now. We've already got principle 2 in this morning, got some other stuff in this morning. So if he starts singing, talking or whatever, just roll with us. But I told him he could come into the office and we were gonna do this together because I'm the only one up and he woke up. So principle number 2 is build a successful and powerful circle. The people in your periphery have a massive influence on who you are and what you will become. There's a saying in our circle that says you will be the average of the 5 people you spend the most time around. Or look in your phone and the people you spend the most time talking to on that phone are going to have a massive influence. You're going to be close to them in salary, close to them in social status, close to them in the way you handle your relationships. Little boy. So it's extremely important. I tell people all the time, what? Why is you over on that screen? We right here. Focus. Yes, focus. Stay with me. We got work here. Focus right here. All right, look. Obviously, I'm going to be quick with that. But you have 2 circles. The one you're born into and the one you build. The one you're born into, you don't choose. The one you're born into, mom, dad, siblings, peers in school, you don't choose those. But the one you build is the one that's going to matter. The one that you choose specifically who you're going to have. Boy, if you don't put that down, the one you choose specifically who you're going to have in your circle, what role they're going to play, what role you're going to play in their lives, how are you going to inspire each other, how are you going to motivate each other, how are you going to drive each other, what can you pull for them. And also remember, if you're the smartest one in your circle, that's going to be a problem. Look for people who are doing better than you. Look for people more successful. Look for people smarter. Don't be the smartest person in the room all the time. Choose your circle wisely. Build your circle intentfully. And on that note, Samaj, that's his name. Samaj Prince is his name. Samaj Prince. Oh, you got quiet now. You hear your name, huh? Say I'm royalty. Say I'm royalty. Yes, you are. And so just remember that. Choose your circle wisely. Pour into each other. Build each other. Be unconditional in your commitments. And on that note, we're going to get out of here. Thank you guys so much for your patience and sharing with Samaj and I. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. From a conceptual perspective, things people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.